if you're experiencing buzzing or unexpected cutouts in your MacBook Pro 15-inch Retina sound, the Willhom speaker replacement might be the solution. I recently replaced my faulty internal speakers with this set designed for the A1398 model, mid-2012 to 2015, and here's what I found. The package includes both left and right speakers, compatible with various MacBook Pro versions. From the mid-2012 to mid-2015 models, this replacement set covers them all. The installation was straightforward, and the sound quality post-replacement is impressive. No more annoying buzzes or sudden audio drops. The build quality seems solid, and the compatibility with specific MacBook Pro versions is a plus. The surround sound channel configuration of 2.3 delivers a satisfying audio experience, and with a maximum output power of 2 watts, it's quite impressive for internal laptop speakers. The specifications, including the APN and PPN codes, match the original speakers. At a weight of 1.24 ounces, it won't add much bulk to your laptop. Overall, if you're facing speaker issues with your MacBook Pro 15-inch Retina, the Willhom speaker replacement is a reliable solution to restore your laptop's sound quality. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.